How to change your YouTube theme, PC or desktop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily change your YouTube theme on your PC or desktop. So first thing, make sure you are inside your browser and simply search in for youtube.com, and just make sure you are logged into your account so that you can personalize your theme for your particular account. So once you're inside in this screen, your main home screen of your YouTube, what you can do is simply click over this profile icon at the top right, you can see. So simply click on it, and from over here it's pretty easy. You can see the option called appearance. So just simply select on this, and you can either choose one of these three options. Among these, you can select dark, light. As you can see, it's using my device theme, which is light. So if I want to toggle back to dark theme, simply click on it and wait for some time for the magic to happen. And just like that, you have successfully converted your theme from light to dark. So you can toggle it back just like by simply heading over to the same option, just like this. And that is exactly how you can easily change your theme on your laptop or desktop PC. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.